So now it is time for the second giveaway. To choose a winner, I'm using a YouTube random comment picker, and this is for the second giveaway. I've entered the link for the second giveaway. That is the one where you like and comment on the video and subscribe. And now I have eliminated any duplicates. So now I am selecting a winner. So the winner is Carol Buchanan. So Miss Carol Buchanan, congratulations. Please comment under this video. You will have 3 days to respond, and leave your email address below if you're comfortable. If not, just leave a little quick note and I will leave an email where you can reach me at, so that I can get your contact information for shipping your alkaline basket. So congratulations to Miss Carol Buchanan.